IYE.
Mr. President, today we draw your attention to a grave and urgent situation faced by the indigenous people of Manipur, India. These indigenous communities stand on the brink of a dire conflict initiated by cross-border narco-terrorist groups. This conflict has resulted in a tragic toll of over 200 lives lost and the destruction of approximately 5,000 homes, leaving 60,000 people homeless. Given these distressing circumstances, the peace-loving people of Manipur earnestly appeal to the indigenous mechanism and other relevant bodies within this council to facilitate communications with the government of India, to prioritize the pressing issues of illegal immigration and the widespread illicit cultivation of opium poppies covering an area exceeding of tens of thousands of acres in the hills of Indo-Myanmar borderland, particularly in Manipur. To urge the competent agencies and parties to take urgent initiatives by relevant mandates to address the gross violations of the human rights in the ongoing violence in Manipur, to recognize the menace of narco-terrorism and emerging new golden triangle and its far-reaching consequences on the long-standing ethnic harmony, economic stability and ecological well-being of the indigenous people in Manipur and Western Southeast Asia region. Given the suspected involvement of armed militant groups in narco-terrorist activities in the region, including the ongoing violence in Manipur, we call for a thorough review of this policy of suspension of operations with such groups by the government of India. It is our hope that the Council's collective effort will help alleviate the suffering of the indigenous people of Manipur and contribute to a just and peaceful resolution of the current crisis. I thank you, Mr. President.
I thank you, and we will continue with a video statement.